Creating winning proposals for website projects is essential if you want to stand out and close more deals with clients. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to take to craft proposals that win over your clients and set you up for success. First, the key to creating a winning proposal is to truly understand your client's needs. Before you even start writing, make sure you've had a deep conversation with them about their business goals and website requirements. What problems are they trying to solve? What are their expectations for this project? If you can clearly understand these points, you're already ahead of the game. Next, structure your proposal so that it addresses those specific needs. Start with a brief introduction that outlines the client's goals and the problems they're facing. Then explain how your solution is exactly what they need. You want your proposal to be solution-focused, not just a list of features. Clients want to know how your service or product will benefit them directly, so always tie your points back to their goals. When discussing the scope of work, be clear and concise. Don't overwhelm them with unnecessary jargon. Break it down into easy-to-understand steps so they can follow along. This builds trust and shows you have a well-thought-out plan. Include timelines and any key milestones, so they know exactly what to expect and when. Another crucial aspect of a winning proposal is to highlight your expertise. Include examples of past projects that are similar to the one you're bidding on. Show them you've successfully solved similar problems and that you have the track record to back up your claims. Testimonials or case studies can make a huge difference here. Make sure to include pricing in your proposal, but present it as an investment rather than a cost. Clients want to know they're getting value, so break down your pricing structure and explain the return they can expect. Avoid hidden fees and be transparent about what's included. Now let's talk about presentation. The way you present your proposal matters. Use visuals, simple graphics, or charts to make your proposal visually appealing and easy to digest. This can make the difference between a proposal that gets ignored and one that gets considered. Lastly, end your proposal with a strong call to action. You've explained how your solution can help. Now encourage your client to move forward. Whether it's scheduling a meeting, signing a contract, or asking for a decision, make sure they know what their next steps should be. Key takeaway here: your proposal should focus on solving your client's problems. Clearly outline how you'll do that and show them the value they'll get from working with you. Keep it clear, concise, and solution-oriented, and you'll increase your chances of winning the project. To recap, understand your client's needs. Structure your proposal around those needs. Highlight your expertise. Present clear pricing, and end with a strong call to action. These steps are your roadmap to creating winning proposals for website projects. Before you go, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used to build this proposal in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and it's a great tool to help you create proposals efficiently.